This video explains how to complete the Learning and Productivity Assessment. This assignment will be completed in 4 steps. Step 1 is to create an AchieveWorks account. Do that by clicking here, creating new account, copying this access code, and then entering information to create a new account, which you must use your Surge mail address and password. If you need any assistance, please contact support@humanresources.com. Step 2 is to complete the AchieveWorks Learning and Productivity Assessment. That can be found here. Once you take your assessment, download and save the results. Here are the directions on how to do that. Here's a quick example. Here are your assessment reports. When you open, you'll save. And then when you're ready to answer the reflection questions, copy the questions. You can answer the questions here. And lastly, you'll upload your Learning and Productivity Assessment results. And post entry.